Hey girls, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a new subscription. This subscription is not makeup this time since I am pregnant. I am 13 weeks today. I will be sharing a new subscription with you guys, and here it is. It's called the Bump Boxes. So what this is a month-to-month subscription. When you sign up, you can get your first box if you choose it yearly. You don't have to pay the whole subscription like a prepay, like normally like what you would do with Boxing Charm or any other subscriptions. This is still a month-to-month if you choose the 12-month. And what I'm saying is if you choose the 12-month, you can get your first box for $9.99, which is really good. So I decided to give it a try, and like I said, since I am pregnant, that I think this box would be awesome because you get stuff that you can use while you're pregnant, and when the baby does come, you can change the subscription and get only for baby, which is pretty amazing because I would love that for my child, you know what I mean? So not only like, you know, me getting all the goodies, it's nice to give my baby the goodies, you know? So let's go ahead and open this up. Like I said, I think it's 34. So like I said, you can get it yearly, you can get it month to month, but you'll be paying more. I think it's like $34, $34.99 if I'm correct. And then if you choose like every 3 months, have it for 3 months, have it for 6 months and a year, you pay cheaper. So like I said, you don't have to prepay it, which is amazing. You're still paying month to month. But I'll put everything, since this is a new subscription and I'm not really like certain of the prices and everything, I will link it down below in the description of the pricing and everything else. But like I said, if you choose to do the yearly, you get it for $9.99, your first box, and you still pay it monthly. But it's just like a commitment, that's it, that they'll just be charging automatically to your account once a month for 12 months or whatever you do choose to do. You can always still cancel it, you don't have to keep it. It's just totally up to you, but I'm just saying I think it's amazing because you get to try the first box for $10. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. I haven't seen what I got in here, so I'm opening it up firstly with you girls here. But yeah, so after I share this box with you girls, I'm also going to be sharing something else. Where is it? Oh, here it is. It's my baby Doppler here. I'll be sharing this once I'm done sharing this box, and I will try it on today and see if we can catch a heartbeat. I've been using this since 10 weeks. I got it when I was 10 weeks pregnant, and I've been catching the heartbeat, and it's amazing feeling. But yeah, we'll go ahead and try this once I'm done sharing this box. And then at the end of this video, I am going to do a giveaway for the bump box here. So let's go ahead and open this up now. Alright, so, ooh, it smells like mint tea. It smells really good. So as you open it up, you have all your stuff in here, and you have the cards, and then you have all this stuff here, which is really messy, but here it is, the box. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull out the first card here. This is from Baby Gender Pros. This says, boy or girl, find out today. Our experts will analyze your ultrasound as early as 6 weeks pregnant. Okay. This is a save. You can save on this. It's called, the code to save is Bump Box. Only $7.99. Valid through December. I will link this down below if you are interested to give this a try. I am going to give this a try because I mean, even though like I'm planning to give my mom's planning a gender reveal, and I don't want to know the gender, but I mean, this is not gonna, it's not like a for sure thing, you know, it's not like accurate, but it could be. But I just want to like, kind of like the Chinese calendar. I'm not cheating or nothing. I just want to kind of see what I could possibly be having. I do have, sorry, let me put this on. Okay. I do have 2 boys, you know, 14, and I have a 9-year-old, but I do really want a girl, and I'm hoping this one is the girl for us. But if it's not, it's okay. But I think this would be fun to give it a try. So I will link this down below if you girls are interested in trying and also using the code below. Alright, so here is the bump box. It says get your glow on. This is a card that they send you. And then on the back is the description of pretty much, it says 15% off products on our page. You can shop code 15. I will link the codes down below. So what it does is tell you what you got, and then what it does, how much it is, and then also it tells you on the corner what the box is worth. So this whole box here is worth $76.96. And like I said, if you choose more than month to month, you get it cheaper monthly, like around $20 to $19, something like that. Like I said, I will link that down below because I'm still not certain, because that's something new for me. But I know if you do choose a 12-month commitment, but like I said, you can still cancel it, it's fine. But you can still get your first box like I did with the 12-month for $9.99, which is amazing. So yeah, so let's go ahead and start with the first item here. So the first thing I got is from Bump Life Filling Fly as a Mother water bottle. This is $13 value, $13.99 value. Sorry, I've been feeling out of breath, and you know us pregnant women get like that. All right, so it's a little bit from all this stuff, but just gotta clean it. This is the water bottle. It says Filling Fly as a Mother Bump Life water bottle. Pretty cool. I've been drinking a lot of water, which is good for me and baby, but I do love water bottles. So this is a sassy water bottle to keep mama hydrated. The bottle is a bump box fave because it's not only cute but also BPA free. When you're growing a tiny little human, hydration is a must. Add some fresh fruit to your water for a refreshing taste. So this is cool. This is $13.99. So I've been using a lot of water bottles, and I'm gonna look at adding some fruit. Okay, so the second item, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So we get 6 items in our box every month. Okay, so all right, Dickinson's Pore Perfecting Toner. This is $6.99. It's a pregnancy-safe toner that uses witch hazel, which hazel is really good for your skin, to refresh skin and refine pores. Sometimes you need to refresh that pregnancy glow, which is very, very true, because this pregnancy is heavy. It's just like sucking the life out of me, and my skin has been horrible, dry. My hair has been falling out, like it's horrible. So I could use this definitely for my skin. So it says you'll love how it uses witch hazel extracts to perfect and soothe your skin. The soft botanical scent is easy on your senses and gently enough for sensitive skin. So here it is, the Dickinson witch hazel toner here. So I think this is like a, let me see, I think it's a spray. Yeah, it's a spray. It doesn't really smell anything. It smells like witch hazel. If you've ever used witch hazel toner, it just smells the same. Just like that. It's not harsh, and I kind of like it smells kind of refreshing after, like the after scent, kind of like honey or something. Yeah, kind of like honey. But yeah, this is a 99% natural distilled witch hazel. Multi-benefit, gently tones pores, sets makeup, and refreshes skin without over drying. And like I said, my skin hasn't been that great, and it's been very, very dry. So I'm glad I got this. Actually, a friend had mentioned to me like a couple weeks ago, like, use witch hazel. And I'm like, oh, I don't even have that. Like, I've been wanting to get it. And like I said, these boxes is amazing because you get stuff that you've been wanting to try. So I'm glad I got that. All right, the next thing is from Jean Pierre Cosmetics. This is a jade face roller valued at $15. The jade roller that's taking the beauty world by storm. This jade roller increases circulation to help smooth the look of skin and to add natural contour to the face. It also reduces puffiness, encourages drainage through the natural benefits of a massage. So I have like, this is like my third one now. I don't really use it, but I heard if you put it in the freezer and you apply it with your, I guess you could put it with your creams, even if you're putting like a mask on, like whatever. But yeah, I mean, I tried it a couple times, but I haven't been consistent with it. But don't mind to have one of these. Maybe I can give it away or something like that. Because I do have another two in my medicine cabinet that I have not used, but feels like good quality. The other one I had is kind of flimsy. The other one I got from Boxy Charm, I think, is really, really good. And then this one feels really, really good too. So maybe I'll give this away. I am not sure yet, but a jade roller here. And this here is $15. Okay, so the next thing, which is the fourth item, is deodorant. This is $9.99. This deodorant that's safe to use anytime, feeling those hot flashes, mama. Stay cool and dry with this pregnancy safe deodorant from Humble. Made with 4 organic and natural ingredients. You can smell great and breathe easy. So here is that Humble brand. This is a all natural ingredient, mountain lavender deodorant, which never tried these type of deodorants. I'm always using Dove. Ones I use is Dove, and that's like my favorite deodorant. I've never tried these like natural ones, but it doesn't smell bad. It smells fresh and like lavender, so I'm gonna give this a try and see how it is. It's always good to try something new, and I am glad I got this because I'm actually running out of my deodorant. So let's see how good this works. Maybe I would consider purchasing these, but like I said, I'm like a Dove go-to person. So anyways, love that. Okay, so that again is $9.99. Now for the fifth is a from Belly pre-treatment scrub, is valued at $24. This is a gentle exfoliant made with natural ingredients to safely buff away impurities. Sometimes you just need a slate clean, mama. This fresh start scrub gently scrubs old skin, cells, and impurities to reveal the beautiful glow, mama. Made with green tea, ginseng for clarity, and peppermint oil to ease any lingering nausea. Oh, that's amazing. So this is a treatment scrub. So here it is. This is a treatment scrub, and I like how it says, sorry, there's a motorcycle passing by and being rude. Just kidding. I like how it says it has peppermint oil to ease any lingering nausea. That's amazing. And like I said, I've been feeling really sick lately. Like my last video I made was almost like about a month ago. Like that's not good. Like I've been trying to be consistent with my videos, but it's just been so hard with this pregnancy, so I apologize. But I'm slowly but surely getting a little bit better, but like I said, I still get nausea from time to time, and I'm glad I got this here. I'm gonna definitely give this a try. This is okay, so this is scrub for face and body, so I can use for my body or even my face. So this is a scrub. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is just a white scrub. Smells really minty, which is good. Says that's gonna help ease the nausea. So I'll be definitely using this in the shower, of course, and my face too. But yeah, I am liking this. Definitely need a scrub, so gonna use this for sure. Okay, so the last thing I got is a Glow Organic Relief Bath Bombs. I love bath bombs. I love taking baths. Oh my god, especially right now that I'm pregnant. You know, as pregnant women just get really, really just tired, body aches. I mean, you name it. So here we got is a $6.99 relieving bath bomb. This is a relaxing bath bomb formulated especially for pregnant women. Needing some relief, mama? This refreshing mixture of vanilla, peppermint, and tea tree organic essential oils will help soothe aching muscles and get you relief you deserve. The pregnancy bath bomb will give you that amazing bath experience that you've been dreaming about. So loving this. I am glad I got this because I do love bath bombs, and if it's made for us pregnant women, that is amazing. So it does smell like candy cane. Ooh, can't wait to use this and see how it feels. If it does help relieve the muscle aches and all that tension that we tend to get. So that's it, girls. That's everything I got from this box. And let's go ahead and go back. So I got this bath bomb. We got this scrub. We got the deodorant. We got the water bottle. Then we got this roller here. And then the witch hazel. So definitely loving the products that I got. I'm definitely going to be using these products for sure. Not sure about this one just yet because like I said, I do have 2 other ones. So maybe I could give this in a giveaway too. Let me know, comment below if you're interested. Maybe I could put it in for a giveaway. Because like I mentioned already, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for only the pregnant mamas out there. So comment below if you are pregnant or you're trying to conceive, or just let me know and I will do a giveaway for the bump box here. So like I said, I'll mention all the details at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and go with the next thing I wanted to share with you girls is the baby Doppler. But let me show you. So before I get to the baby Doppler, I wanted to share and update you girls with my pregnancy stuff this time. So I did share my last pregnancy update, which I was like 7, almost 8 weeks pregnant. I did share my ultrasound, which at the end of this video, once I am done with the whole video, I will put a clip of my ultrasound for week 12. So let's go ahead and talk about that. So here is real quick, let me share my little baby here. So here is the ultrasound. This is a close-up, so I am only now 13 weeks, but this was when I was 12 weeks and 2 days. No, 12 weeks and 3 days. So there is a close-up of the baby with a little button, or his or her button nose. So there's a baby's close-up. Right here, they were giving it a close-up so they can check the back of the neck to make sure there's no deformities. So they do to all pregnancies. And then here is the baby right there. The baby was sleeping, but you can tell the baby was kicking the feet a little bit up. So there's the baby, looking more like a baby now. This was when I was 7 weeks, which this baby here, 7 weeks, 4 days, it looks like a crab or something. Yeah, it doesn't look like a baby at all, but that was my baby at 7 weeks, and then my baby now. So very excited for that. I'm just so excited to go shopping and stuff like that. I'm just so thrilled. This is my 3rd child, and just so at all right now. Like I'm just so at all. I'm excited. So let's talk about the symptoms. So for my symptoms for week 12 until now, there's times I wake up in the mornings. I do work. I get to get up at about 4:20 every morning, and that's hard for us women that are pregnant. That are still barely going into our 2nd trimester, so kind of still considered in our 1st trimester. So it's hard, but like I said, I've been feeling more up to it, like to get up, and like when I get up and get in the shower, I feel much better. And then once I'm at work, I feel really energized. I do drink some coffee. I go get my pink drink from Starbucks. I've been drinking that until I get my Thrive. My Thrive from Laval. I'll be doing a video on that. You can take it when you're pregnant as well. That stuff is truly amazing. So I'm going to be sharing a video on that. So that's what's going to help me get through the day and just keep me energized instead of having to drink coffee, which I don't drink a lot of coffee. It's just the pink drink refresher, but it does have caffeine in it, and it is safe. My doctor said it is safe to drink coffee. I would say limit it just to be safe, but he said that there's no actual evidence that it's bad, but just to be safe, just kind of minimize it and keep it at least over, keep it under 100 milligrams, I would just say. Because who knows what if you get a hyper baby, I don't know. I'm just saying, just keep it minimum. But yeah, when I drink my pink drink in the morning, I get motivated. I'm really on it at work. But yeah, so when I do have my days off though, or after work too, I tend to take a nap. I do take a nap before I cook dinner. and I do get kind of like a little nauseated. I don't know why that is, but I do get a little nauseated. But then it goes away eventually. And then what else? My nose tends to run still. My nipples still hurt. They feel more, my breasts feel more fuller. What else? I've been feeling the baby move since 10 weeks. I was like 10 and a half weeks pregnant. I started feeling some flutters, and I thought maybe that's just my intestines or whatever, because I've been a little backed up lately. But no, I think that's what it is. I told my doctor for my visit a couple days ago that I've been feeling the baby. Like I really feel like I am feeling the baby. And he said that, yeah, you probably are. You know, this is your third pregnancy, and you're like a little bit more sensitive down there, like in your uterus or whatever. That is very possible. And like I said, I've been feeling the baby move like in the morning and at night, like at certain times. And like even when I'm standing up, I can feel the baby. So I just know the same feelings all the time. I just know it is. Today I didn't really feel the baby that much, but I get worried when that happens. But because I'm so used to feeling it. But I did use the Doppler and I did get the heartbeat. So like I said, I don't have a lot of symptoms besides, like I said, nausea from time to time. I still get energy though I'll have a good day. Like today I woke up really energized. What else? Like I said, I've been having a lot of hair loss. My skin has been dry and not looking its best lately. I did lose a little bit of weight. But I've been drinking my Boost drink. You can drink Ensure or the Boost, any type of like a meal replacement shake. You can drink that, which helps you a lot, which helps me. What else? Constipation, of course. Headaches, especially when I get nauseated, I get headaches. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And my teeth too, they've been bothering me more, and I know that has to do with the pregnancy too. Even though my teeth aren't that great, but being pregnant is just because, you know, the baby's taking up everything that they're getting. It's just making my teeth even more worse than they already were. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and try the Doppler. Let's see if we can catch the baby's heartbeat, and I'll put it close to the phone here because I'm recording on my phone. I'm gonna get it close to you to see if you can hear it. I'm gonna be doing it standing up. I know it's probably gonna be a little hard to do that, but let's go ahead and just give it a try. If not, we'll try it. And you can use this here. This is the ultrasound gel, or you can use like the aloe vera gel too. So it's totally up to you. If you don't have that, just saying. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. It's already on and loud. And then I'm gonna apply this like right underneath my belly button. So I don't want to show my stomach right now, but okay, so I'm gonna concentrate. Let me get closer. Got it. And sometimes I like to watch this and see if it goes up to like 150, 160. But when you're hearing it fast like that, that's the baby. That's the baby. I love this. Baby. So that was my baby at 13 weeks, and since I've been trying using this or whatever, the Doppler, it sounded so low and it was hard for me to catch it so quickly. But now that I am getting higher in my pregnancy, like my baby's getting bigger and stuff like that, you're able to hear it a lot more, like louder and easier. And it's getting, I don't know, I like to check the heartbeat like all the time, so I get like happy, like, you know, just to check it, just to hear, because then you know it feels real, you know, like right now, like the baby's so small, sometimes your symptoms goes away, you're just like, you don't feel pregnant, and then having just the confirmation by checking the heartbeat is just amazing feeling, and you feel it again, like you can bond with the baby, you can talk with the baby, even though the baby can't hear you just yet, but eventually he or she will. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So I just wanted to share with you the Doppler, the bump box, of course, and the baby's ultrasound. It's kind of like an update, and so yeah, before I let you girls go, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I want to do a giveaway for the bump box for one of you pregnant ladies that are pregnant now or trying to conceive too. And you know, I wanna see if you girls like the box. So let me know. Comment below just comment below if you might be interested or what you guys think about the box that I just shared. And depending on how many people like leave comments about it, I will decide on that if I should do a giveaway. So on my next video, once I see all the comments and stuff like that, my next video I'll talk about it and I will confirm that I will do it and what you girls need to do to get the giveaway. So make sure you're following me on my Instagram. I will put a link down below. You can also follow me on my Facebook as well. I was doing a lot of lives on my Facebook, but like right now, since I am pregnant and I'm getting sick a lot, I don't have a lot of energy to do that. Or I don't know, I just haven't been feeling it lately, but I will get back onto that very soon and I'll be on there a lot. But yeah, just follow me down below, and like I said, comment below, let me know what you girls thoughts on this box and if you might be interested or not. And like I said, based upon the comments that I get, then I will decide. And on my next video, like I said, I will let you know that if I'm gonna do that giveaway. I really want to do it, but I don't know how many of you girls are pregnant and that are following me, because I don't know. That's why I want to know from you girls. If you're pregnant, let me know, comment below, and let me know if you're interested. That way I can do that giveaway for you girls. So anyways, I know my channel is about makeup, and I normally do giveaway for makeup, which I'm still gonna do a giveaway on the James Charles palette. I haven't stopped that. I haven't I just had to pause it for a minute because I found out that I was pregnant, and I have to, you know, first, like, I had a miscarriage in February, so that's why I was like, when I found out I was pregnant, I was like in bed rest and everything else, so that I had to pause that. But I'm gonna get back onto my videos here on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to do like more tutorials and do a giveaway for the James Charles. So I did not forget, I just had to pause it. So please, if you're watching and you wanted to, you know, participate in that giveaway, I apologize, but due to my pregnancy, I had to put a pause on it. But I'm gonna get back into it so I could do that giveaway and finish it off. So I will not forget at all. I'm gonna still get that done. I still have the palette right here, and I'm gonna do it. So that's it, girls. I just wanted to share this stuff with you. At the end of this video, you're gonna be seeing a clip. I was thinking of doing a baby bump right now. Maybe I'll try to do a baby bump, but if not, I could just take a picture and just post it at the end of this video. So at the end of the video, you're gonna see my ultrasound and a baby bump as well. And yeah, so hopefully you girls enjoy this video, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye, girls.
Not very. So when the baby's awake and jumping, it goes up. is measure the back of the baby specific position for us to get that measurement. And see if the baby can.
Uh-huh.
Same here.
They looks like me.